Dr. Feelgood. Here is your RCI 99N2. Your amp switch is broke off in shipping, and I don't know who packaged your stuff, but it was just sitting in here amongst his peanuts, and right there is where the amp switch would have been. So it was not in any bubble wrap or anything. So you know, you got to bubble wrap these things. So if you took this to a shipping depot to do it or whatever, they didn't pack it for you well. The radio sitting in there on top of peanuts, and then had the other radio on top of it. So of course I don't have access to these. These are factory Ranger Direct for the switches. It still works, but you have to, you know, use your fingernail to flip it up and down. So this radio here, you sent it in and said that you woke up one morning, turned it on, and no audio, no modulation. So let's just see here. Here, what scale? There's 60 watts. Hello, 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 hello. It's like you said nothing. So over your sideband. Hello, 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 hello. Works on sideband. So pretty much know what that is. So we're gonna get in here, check it out, and be back. All right, Dr. Feelgood, we're back. We've got you repaired. Now, I knew when I seen what I seen that this guy here had let go. That's your voltage regulator for AM. That's why we like to replace it with this monster right here, Toshiba unit. Okay. But what I didn't know, so I got in there, you toasted your IRF 520s. This radio definitely seen a high SWR, at least for a split second. It's been a long time since I've seen 520s like this, like probably years. See a lot of FQP 13N10s, grenade. So what I did do, we did put the upgraded voltage regulator in for you, and we did the ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrade for the durability. So that being aside, go and get your mic plugged in here. I'm going to show you RF power all the way down. Of course, this will mirror your other video. 5 watts all the way down. Low audio. 60 bird average with it all the way down for spectral purity. 40 all the way up. Hello, hello, hello. 100 watts in the corner. So go over and check average power. 250 watt slug. Low, 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 low audio. 110 or so. Just like before. 250 watt slug in PEP. If y'all remember right, before this did about 250 or hair over. Hello, 1, 2, audio, 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 audio. 250 in the corner. All right, Dr. Feelgood, it's ready to come to you, man. I'll reach out to you and we'll talk about this switch and go from there. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Boom, boom.